On the 27th, Dr. Yang Chao-Lin held a community drama promotion event at the Taoyuan Zhongshan classroom. Organized the village in Chief Zhang, the event began at 10:30 a.m., welcoming local residents to participate. Earlier this year, during a drama event at the Warner University, Grandmaster Weixin praised the village Chief Zhang for engaging local residents and encouraging him and Dr. Yang Chao-Lin to host a local drama event. Master Yuan Wu, chairperson of the Taiwan Weixin World Peace Promotion Association, attended the event, bringing the Grandmaster's World Peace Calligraphy, books and Weixin TV materials to share with participants. The event opened with Master Yuan Wu sharing his experience with Grandmaster Weixin Chanshi and inspiring stories earning warm applause. Dr. Yang Chao-Lin introduced the feng shui concepts, covering topics like home layouts, exterior design, door colors, and practical tips. He responded to participants' questions in detail, ensuring a successful and satisfying conclusion to the event. Weixin Report, Taoyuan.